Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there's a link down in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a smart digital voice recording pen. This is the box that it comes in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you're naturally going to get a user manual that's going to tell you how it operates, but we're going to cover a lot of those features. You are going to get the pen itself, which we're going to go over in detail here shortly. You will get a USB to USB Type-A charging cable. You will also use this cable if you want to connect it to a computer to download the files. You will get a little screwdriver, and what you'll use this is to change out the ink cartridges. They give you 2 bags full of ink cartridges, so you have a ton of extra ink to keep this pen lasting for a long, long time. And then you are going to get a pair of little headphones that you can utilize to listen to the files on the pen directly if you want. And then you do that by connecting this little guy into the bottom. And then there's the volume control and the pause and play button on this little cord right here. But why would you need this? So if you are in school and you want to record basically your various classes, so that way maybe you can study later, that is what's great about this, because you can utilize the pen as note-taking, but also pick up their voice, whether you're in a meeting or a conference call or anything like that. That is where this is useful, so that way you can go back and refresh your memory on what was discussed. So how you operate the pen is you simply twist the bottom here, and as you can see, the pen part pops down, and then you can easily write with it. Then on the top here is a little button. That is what you're going to press to record, and you'll notice a little red light will turn on when it is recording. Now what's cool about this pen is it does have an omnidirection microphone. So that means it's going to pick up sounds all the way around you. And I'm going to play a little bit of audio here just so you can get an idea of what this actually sounds like. Okay, so now you can hear the quality of how this pen sounds. Okay, so now you've heard how it sounds. Another thing I want to mention, it does have in a built-in DSP noise reduction chip or technology. So the whole point of that is it's going to try to filter out some of that extra background noise. I'm not really sure how well that works, but it's more importantly how well it picks up the person that is talking, which I think it works decently well. Another thing I also want to bring up is when it is recording, it will actually be able to detect if it's really quiet, then it'll pause, so that way you're not just listening to quiet, dead air, if you will, and then it'll automatically start up again when it hears a voice. So that is a nice little built-in feature. It does have plenty of memory, so this thing can hold up to 64 gigabytes worth of memory, which means you'll have a lot of storage capacity. I mean, you're not having to download those files right away or constantly. It also has a decently long battery life. It will be able to easily last throughout the day if you're using this for multiple classes. You're going to get approximately about 15 hours worth of recording time on this pen. Now, when you are done, you are simply just going to press the button again and it will turn off. Now, when you charge up this device, hold down the little button when you want to turn it on to kind of activate it. If it goes to sleep, that's one thing you kind of do. If you just press it, it won't necessarily turn on right away. So I noticed if you hold down the button, that'll kind of turn it on. After that, it's just simply press the top and press it again to turn it off. So unscrew this little part like so. And then down there is where you will see how you change the ink cartridges Just use the little screwdriver that they include and unscrew it and it will pop out. And then right there you can see the USB type A connection point, and this is where you will plug in either this guy if you want to listen directly on here, or plug it in to your computer to where you can go ahead and grab those audio files if you want. Now, I have not tested this part out, but they said you can connect it with to basically like an Android phone. If you have the right connection cable that is not included, you can access those files just like basically the same way you would activate on a computer. But like I said, I have not tested that because I don't have that cable. But yeah, overall, that is the ins and outs of this little digital recorder pen. If you are in the market to kind of looking for a device where you can record lecture notes or meetings, this one's, I think, worth checking out. It's nice that it is a pen. It's very discreet and easy to utilize. That is basically it, though. If there is something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.